today with the midweek searches. This is only where we're parking. The field we're doing is actually behind the hedge and up the hill. So lovely location. I think the weather's going to be absolutely pants, but can't have everything, we need the rain. So let's go and see what we can find. I'll see you in the first hole. That's just chucked out the hole. What do we reckon that is? We haven't blanked on coins again. Kept our run up and our run of dropping things. No, don't think we get much off of that. It's a coin though. It's a good start. Bit quiet, very irony, which is a good sign in some ways. But pouring with rain. Don't mind at the moment. Let's keep going. Really good signal. Nope, nothing much. Nope, rubbish. Oh, that's a nice button. Yeah, so all this rain, all you do is just keep pushing mud around. Yeah, there's definitely something in there. Love it. Right, we'll see that one later. I think it might be a railway one, but don't quote me on that yet. Yeah, let's keep going. Out the hole and see something. It's a button. Yep, just a button. Oh well. Somebody else missed it. There was 3 people in this corner just now. Still, don't suppose they wanted it either. Let's keep going. Right. The moment we don't do one live, it turns out to possibly be something a bit better. What do you reckon that is? There's definitely something there. You know what? Let's get some squirt out. Let's do it live. Hold on. Right, let's have a little look. Yep, that's a Roman. Yeah, nice little you'll be able to see that. Nice little head looking to the right. Hopefully you can see something. I'll take a picture with my phone as well, I think. Yep, a couple of bits on the back. I won't go too berserk now. Excellent, a Roman. Love it. Let's see if there's any more. Signal. Let's see. This will be rubbish again now we've gone live. First for the live dig. Of course it is. 303. Never mind, banging signal. Up now, but that's another nice button. Double button day. Yep, like that. Hopefully that'll clean up something there, definitely. Right, not lunchtime yet. Let's keep at it. I have to steam my lens up, so I'm not sure how many more I'm going to film. But there's another nice button. I was literally on the surface. Yep, I'll take that all day long. Lovely shoveling, making it worse, not better. Right, we'll worry about it later. Worry about it later. Bring up a beauty. Hopefully you can see it. I'll record it anyway. Really thought that was going to be something better. Oh well. Tat, tat, tat. One in the clod. Can get many clods on a day like today. Still in there. Aha. There it is. It's a button. So, something goes towards my button count for the year. 4-roller, usable. Right, nearly done for lunch. What's that? Something about it. It's got a hook through there. Back up in where I found the Roman. Is it? We'll carry over another hour or so. This is a stonkingly sort of high 92. Real pitch to it. On tap. More than rubbish. Rubbishy. Oh well. Bit more. So that was a great day out yesterday with the midweek searches, and we're back to our usual amount of finds, but actually quite a good selection of finds. When one of your worst finds is a coin, you don't mind so much. So yeah, toasted, nothing on that. Couple of buttons, even the buttons were real nice, shiny, smooth one, but broken. Gone back. The other button, that's quite sweet, isn't it? Friedberg, Portsea, very flat. Usually these are dished, but as it goes, a nice 4-holer. And then our better buttons, we have an artillery button with a cannon on it, which is very nice. And we have, you can just make this one out, Royal Marines Light Infantry, with the anchor there and the crown. So that's nice. And our other uniform button, as I thought when I saw it, is a London and South Western Railways. I had a small one of these back in about March time on a soil searchers digs, and now I've got a bigger one, so that's quite nice. Dig that out later, put them together. We had our mystery item, which is still a mystery item, and it's clearly a brooch, hinged type pin there, and what would have gone in there, no other maker's mark or anything, age completely unknown, no idea. It's like a little silvered panel there, and I'm guessing there is one just under there, and the centre is slightly lined, but age, I have no idea. Absolutely not a Scooby. I like it, but I would like to know how old. I don't think it's mega old, but if anyone's got any ideas, I'd love to hear it. Then we had, I didn't film this because I thought it was just a button, but it is a silver tip to a thimble. Must have been one of these ones where the top is soldered into the body. So, bit silver. I'll get rich on that. This is interesting. Clearly a little arrow tip. Age, no idea. There was 3 of these that came up on the dig. 1 or 2 other ones were a little bit longer than mine. Mine's just really the tip. Whether they look modern, relatively modern, but might be wrong. Again, if anyone knows, let me know. That was that. And this is probably my favourite find, because I just don't know what it is. You can see there a slight patterning around, see a bit more on that side there. I can't, it's like a dotty base, stepped out, some sort of coppery pin possibly went in there to focus. Doesn't want to focus. In there, I guess to hold it to something. This was found where most of the Roman stuff was coming up, so you start to then think, well, is it Roman connected? Anyway, love it. A little doodad. But if anyone's got any ideas, you know where to post. But see what people come up with, and I'll show it to the Flo next time I go and see her. And then we had our Roman coin. I spoke to one of the admins as we were walking around the field, and he was telling me where things had come up before. He said, oh, I'll go over the far side on the ridge. He said that's where the Romans were coming up. So sure enough, went round there, and within 10 minutes this came up. So nice. You can see the head on that side, and on this side we've got 2 winged, I don't know what they call them, winged, whatever they are, holding something, and a star in the middle. And from the research I've done, it looks like it could be Valentianus II, probably said that wrong, and the star in the middle on the reverse is a mint mark for Rome. So happy with that. But being an identifiable Roman, that will go to the Flo as well, because they've always requested all Romans go to them. But it's quite nice. See his lips. She's saying, oh, I've got this thing about it looking so feminine. Well, sure it's a guy. So that was that. Really good fun. I'm not sure when we get out again. Hopefully, I'd like to have gone out with the soil searchers on Sunday, but I can't. And hopefully the weekend after they'll have another dig, and then we can get out with them again. Be good to catch up with them. And plenty of you. So see you on another one. Take care, everyone.